Thanks for joining me guys for another video beer review, and today it's a bottle of beer from the Thornbridge Brewery. It's Raindrops and Roses. It's a Belgian Wit beer brewed with rose petals. It's coming in at 5.3% ABV, and this is this year's, every year Thornbridge do a Great British Home Brew challenge, and the winner was Phil Sisson for coming up with this idea. I missed out on last year's one, which was Rhubarbe de Saison or something like that it was called. All I know is in a 500ml bottle, and this is a 330 now, and I think the entire Thornbridge setup now is going to be based on 330s. There's the crown. Bit gutted with that. It ain't going to stop me buying the beers though, because I do enjoy their beers. It's just a shame it's not 500ml anymore. It's had a smoke. I don't think it'll be bottle condition. Thornbridge beers don't tend to go down that road. But yeah, oh, look at that. Really sort of like hazy lemon looking. A little bit of carbonation going up the sides. A one finger whitehead. Looks like it's slowly dissipating. Let's get a nose. Lemon for sure. I'm getting a floral vibe to it. Raindrops and Roses winning brew from the Great British Home Brew challenge. Pouring hazy gold. Rose lemon. Yeah, it's just like a full-on lemon whiffed for me. Yeah, cheers. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. A typical wit beer sort of initial first impressions, with that added little bit more. To me, it's like the old sweets used to get, the pear drops. It's got that sort of taste to it. Turkish delighty as well, almost. Yeah. Yeah, the real like Turkish delight cubes that you can buy from sort of markets and places like that. Not the Fry's Turkish delights. The real proper Turkish delight. It's got that sort of flavour to it. Florally flavour. Nice bit of lemon in there. Bit of spiciness on the back end. Peppery, coriander. That's nice, that is. Yeah. Good stuff. Raindrops and Roses. Thornbridge Brewery. Part of the Homebrew Challenge of 2016. Check it out, guys. Yeah, it's a nice wit beer, to be fair, with like a little added twist of Turkish delight in the back end. Anyway, leave a comment down below, give us a thumbs up, see you on my next one. Cheers.